Hello and what is going on, guys? This is your boy McGill here, back at you with another knife unboxing video. I am so excited about this unboxing today, guys. We have another Civivi knife to unbox. As you can see in the channel, has been sort of like a Civivi marathon so far. If you look at the top right corner right there, we have the original Civivi, we have the Civivi button lock original as well. There's now a new version of the Civivi. It's called the button lock Elementum 2. And so both of these are already part of my arsenal, and we're adding this guy. This guy is like nothing you've seen before. You can probably tell by the thumbnail, this one's going to be a wild one for sure. But again, this is going to be the Elementum Desert Warrior, right? So you'll see what that is all about. It has G10 scales and it has a D2 blade. These knives are made in China, but awesome quality. Everybody in the knife community will tell you that. Super awesome to EDC as well and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and crack open this box, right? Let's get into it here. Let me use the button lock here that we just unboxed on the last video. If you want to check the unboxing for this guy, check out the top corner right here. If you want to check the unboxing for this guy, check the top box right there, right? So let's go ahead and open this box right here. All right, by the way, it's going to be an unboxing video, you guys. So I'm going to give you guys some first impressions, then I'm going to EDC this knife for a couple of weeks before I can come back and give you a review, right? Give you a comprehensive review. This guy is going to fall on the same category as the original Elementum, so I might just do the review with both of them at the same time. But this one has something special going on. You'll see what I mean in a second. So open the pouch, by the way, right out of the box. Civivi pouch, zippered, high quality, website in the back. And as soon as you open it up, you have this thing here. I can't wait to get that, show you guys what that is. But yeah, also on the pouch you have some instructions, you have some stickers, right, from Civivi. This is pretty common, right? And then you have a nice cloth right there, a nice you know, material inside. Keep your knife all nice and pampered, and some silica gel to keep it away from humidity. Right, let's go ahead and put that out of the way here, and let's see what's going on here. What's this all about, right? So this is called the Civivi Elementum Desert Warrior, right? And as you can see, it has the printed donut pattern on the handle, so that's pretty neat. It's an inside joke within Blade HQ. So this knife is from Blade HQ. Is a Blade HQ exclusive, as you can see here. So I got this a while back while they had it in stock. It is the Civivi Elementum Desert Warrior exclusive. It is G10 handle with 2.9 blade in D2 blue. And typically when they are in stock, right, when they are in stock, they are around $58. I'll put a link in the description for this one so you guys can check it out if you like. I'm not currently affiliated with Blade HQ. I'm hoping that we can get affiliated at some point. But yeah, this guy is like, it's a running joke with Blade HQ because, right, they have some skins or some patterns and some knives at Blade HQ called the Desert Warrior, right? But when people were searching and trying to find the Desert Warrior, they ended up misspelling desert, adding an extra S and typing in Desert Warrior. So people over at Blade HQ, being as awesome as they are, they decided to turn that into a skin. And so now you have many different knives that all have the Desert Warrior skin, sort of like this guy right here, by the way. This is a Kalashnikov automatic, also in the same skin right there. So yeah, look out for the unboxing on this guy. I was so excited when I got it in. These both came in at the same time. As you can see, they're both part of that same Desert Warrior family, exclusive to Blade HQ. I'll leave a link to this guy also in the description. Make sure to check out the unboxing of this guy also in the top corner there. But yeah, super excited for this one. It is a Civivi Elementum, so if you saw the unboxing on the original Elementum, so Not much different here except for the madness of this unique skin. So interesting story. I got this one thinking of my wife. So if I get in the hobby, right, and I want to convince my wife that, hey, you know, I want to pursue this hobby, please be supportive, right? What better way to get your wife to be on board than to go ahead and give her a knife of her own. So the Civivi Elementum is nice and small, right? First thing she said is, I don't want a big knife, right? She's trying to overcome the whole intimidation factor of carrying a knife, or the whole idea of EDCing a knife as a tool, obviously. But yeah, I think this design right here definitely did it for her, because yeah, she fell in love with it right away. So it was a nice piece. I'm glad that Blade HQ had it in stock a little while back. I definitely ordered it right away. Make sure to check out the link below. You can sign up for their email notification, right? That's a good way to get some notifications when these are back in stock. But again, very nice design. Civivi Elementum is one of those vanilla designs that they just work, right? If you grab every knife design out there and you kind of do an average of all the blade shapes that exist, all the handle shapes that exist, an average of everything, this is what you're going to end up with. So ergonomically, it's nice and good on the hand, very light and easy to carry, of course. And again, if you're trying to get your spouse on board, right, your significant other, this is a good way to do it. I like that they even went into paying attention to the screws here, so they're all different colors and whatnot, just added into that donut confetti pattern, if you will. It is deep carry, so the knife is going to be nice and hidden in the pocket with a very nice deep carry pocket clip right there. The blade again is D2, right, in this blue color, of course, to go along with the design. Nice grippy G10 handles, right? And of course Civivi. I'm telling you, the reason why you guys have probably seen so many Civivi videos in the channel is because you can't go wrong with Civivi. They're a nice budget brand, right? A very good nice quality right out of the box, and so I cannot wait to EDC this guy, along with, of course, the original Elementum here. So look forward to the review on this coming up here very soon, right? Let me give a quick comparison right there. So there's your regular Elementum. This one is in satin finish, right? Orange G10. This is that special edition Desert Warrior from Blade HQ. Gotta give it to Blade HQ. The guys over there are awesome. Every time I put an order, they take care of you, right? They're very nice. So hopefully I can do some affiliate business with them in the future here for the growth of the channel. Guys, if you made it this far, right, this is a quick unboxing video. You already know how it goes, right? We just give you some quick impressions really quick on knives as soon as they come out of the box. Keep in mind the review is going to be coming a little bit later, right? The review is going to be coming a little bit later, giving you guys all my feedback, recommendations and things like that about the knife down the road as I EDC it a little bit more. Oh, by the way, I want to share with you guys this quick nice little poster pad here from Navs. I got this one off Amazon as well recently, so if you want to learn about knives, again, links for all these items will be in the description. But if you really want to get into it, geek out about knives, I feel like this one is a good addition. So you can learn about all different sort of blade shapes, right? You can learn about all the different you know, anatomy of the blades, everything to know, all the different pieces, right, that makes up your knife, along with some great tips of maintenance, screws, blade angles. I mean, this poster is super useful, so I'm glad I have it. You're gonna be seeing it in videos, you know, in the corner somewhere, right? Because I'm also learning along the way, right? It's only been a couple of months since I've been in the knife community, so I am only learning more and more every day, and I hope that I can share that. Hope that I can share that journey with you guys. So if you liked the video up until this point, if you're excited about what's coming, right? If you probably started your collection recently, just like I did, guys, go ahead and make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, right? And then look forward to the next videos dropping here very soon. Love you guys. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Peace.